Welcome back, cleaning heroes. Today we've got an extreme challenge ahead, something that might just push us to our limits. We only have 24 hours to transform this incredibly messy house into a clean and organized space. The clutter is overwhelming, and the mess, well, it's intense. You'll see firsthand how we tackle one of the biggest cleaning projects yet. So buckle up. This is going to be one satisfying cleaning journey that you won't want to miss. Wow! As you can see, we've got an uphill battle here. Clothes piled up in the living room, dishes overflowing in the sink, boxes blocking walkways, and dust settled in every corner. It's the kind of mess that makes you wonder how it even got this far. But that's why we're here. Cleaning Hero Squad is all about tackling the impossible. Our plan today is simple but ambitious. Extreme clean, declutter, and organize. We'll focus on breaking down the tasks room by room and giving this house the total transformation it deserves. And remember, we only have 24 hours to do it. This isn't just about surface cleaning. It's about creating a space where the family can feel at home again, free from the stress of clutter and chaos. already such a difference. We've cleared out the counters, the dishes are finally clean, and the pantry is organized. It's amazing how much more peaceful the space feels. It's clear this place hasn't seen a good scrub in months. The countertops are buried under old takeout containers, dishes are stacked high, and there's barely any space to move. This is the kind of mess that can really weigh you down. There's something so satisfying about watching a kitchen go from chaos to spotless. Watch this transformation unfold. Oh my God, the floor is crawling with maggots. It's absolutely horrifying and unbelievable. just like that, 24 hours later, this house has been completely transformed. From a cluttered, overwhelming mess to a clean, organized, and livable space. This was no easy task, but the Cleaning Hero Squad never backs down from a challenge. Thank you so much for joining us on this cleaning journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more satisfying cleaning transformations. We've got more extreme cleanups and decluttering missions coming your way, so stay tuned.